About to hit the kayak. I'll go in the back.
And if you want to put your phone in like a Velcro pocket, there's like some pockets on your life jacket up in the front. Right there. It like Velcros out, you can stick your phone in there. It's a little more secure than a regular pocket.
Okay, thanks.
Alright. Seats feel okay?
Not yet. Hold on. Getting situated. We got straps in here?
Sorry?
Is it like a strap or are we just...
No seatbelts.
Okay, cool. Alright.
Alright, ready?
Yes, sir. Dang. Alright, thanks. Dang, this is hard to do with the camera. Out here kayaking. Say what's up to him.
Hi.
Hey. Yeah. Out here doing our thing, you know, chilling. It's a little vibe out here. You know what I'm saying? Alki Beach. No, we at the park though. On the situation. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I wish I did bring my book back so I could drink, but it is what it is. Vibing. Big time chilling on a kayak. You feel me? You see the views? Hold on, let me make sure y'all see the views real good. Big time chilling. Yes, Sirski. Where that boat at? You see that big old boat? I had to steer so we can get hit by a couple boats, you know what I'm saying? We all good. Here, grab the camera, talk to my people.
Talk to your people.
Good.
Baby.
You good? Let's grab it.
What up, though? Chilling, big chilling. You know? I'm scared as hell, but.
First time, first time.
First time. It feels amazing. It's beautiful. Really nice vibe. Yeah.
You do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm enjoying myself. Mm-hmm.
You do it by yourself?
No, I said I'm enjoying myself.
Oh. We gotta see. One time we gotta see you do it by yourself.
No. I
Yeah.
can only do it with you.
This was a good experience, you know, kind of see how to steer, you know what I'm saying?
Right. It gave me a nice experience. But you know, he's really maneuvering. I'm just here for support, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, let's do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie though, man, hungry. We out here for an hour. Man, hungry. Gotta get some food. She checking the big boat out, making sure I don't hit us. I ain't scared. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna lie though, this kind of making me feel a little queasy though.
No, really?
The waves, yeah. Feel a little queasy out here. But yeah, man, I'm putting my camera and my phone in danger being on this water because it's gonna fall out my hand. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know if Saltese is around here or by the
beach?
by the beach, yeah.
Am I actually or am I
But yeah, folks, y'all go catch me at the next spot because I really don't want this camera in my hand for too long, just in case something happened. They said seals and otters out here, so like, I don't, you know, if seal otter hit this boat or come near this boat, I'm liable to drop this camera because I'm like, what the fuck? Like, yo, if I see a seal, it's over. Hell no. Boy, and I know that shit gonna be big as hell. Cause remember when we went to that aquarium?
Huge.
It was a big one. But we gotta remain calm at all times. See the big boat passing us? As it should. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all at the next spot, man. Peace. Day 2 in Seattle. Well, technically, yeah, it's day 2. Day 3. Day 2, day 3, something like that. We about to hit the ferry. Look at that background. Crazy background. Water. Then you look this way. Got downtown Seattle. Come on now. This is one of the best cities in America. Top 5. Top 5 for sure. Yes, yes. If you ain't never been, check it out. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on the ferry. Got about like a 35-minute ferry ride to the beach. Well, it takes you to the park, then we're gonna scooter to the beach and vibe out, you know what I'm saying? Vibe out. My bad. I ain't used to just holding just the camera, so. Oh, damn, I skipped a step. Almost busted my damn head. Whew. But yeah, man, catch me on the ferry.
Sorry.
Shoot, you're good.
Made it to the beach. Look at that. Vibes on, vibes on, vibes on, vibes. Alki Beach. Look like gravel though, the beach, y'all. You gonna put your feet in the water? Up. She said no.
Probably not, but the water's not too dark.
Yeah, no.
It's still a vibe.
Still a vibe. I don't know. We gonna go on the sandy part, the gravel. We could check it out. They want us to check it out, so we check it out. Yeah, Seattle is. If I thought of heaven, it would be up there. That's how I want heaven to feel. I fuck with Seattle. Yeah. You got too much about. The only thing is, it's not. We haven't really been in culture. You know what I'm saying? Like they don't got my people here like that. That's the only thing. You know, in the H-Town, we out there. You know what I mean? It's a cool vibe. I can come out here every summer. For sure, for sure. But we can still see the Space Needle from here. I swear, you can see the Space Needle everywhere in Seattle. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, we can still see it from here.
Here we go. Go 1, 2, 3, go 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1.
This is the line for Space Needle. Oh my gimbal.
So we hosted events there, had a wedding there a few days ago. Looking out all that water, it's called the Puget Sound. It is all saltwater. It connects directly back to the Pacific Ocean. It's about 150 miles northwest to get there. So sometimes from the top you can see wildlife out there. Sadly, I've yet to though. Out to the right, those mountains we can see, they're called the Olympics. They do not reach up into Canada. On the other side of them is going to be the only rainforest in the United States, so it's pretty cool. That's going to be Mount Rainier above downtown out the left window. You'll see it from the top as well. And then when we're done up here, guys, there is another floor beneath us. So when you're ready to come down, walk around to the right, down the 2 flights of carpeted stairs.
Oh wow.
I'll enjoy it.
Where did we start? Revolving glass floor. Are you ready?
Huh?
You ready to walk?
Yeah.
Oh, you was trying to take a video?
No, come on.
So good. Also random out here.
Glass is shorter.
never seen one so up close. Do they have eyes or what?
Look at the hairs on them.
The what?
The hairs.
Oh yeah.
I'm not following you.
Yeah.
Want your picture today?
Yeah. It was a great picture. Too warm.
Oh, look at that. Would you touch it?
No, I'm not touching any of this shit. You gonna touch it?
Yeah, I want to touch one.
Oh, what you trying to do, bro? Dang. Dang, I don't know if y'all can see it though. That's what y'all be eating.
Way too small for the tape. You just need like whole.
Oh, baby, look at this.
Wow.
Oh, look at this one.
Wow. I have a starfish in my tank.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this little crab.
They just be chilling.
Oh.
They got eyes or what? I want to see the other side of them. What's the other side? I don't know what they. It's a mysterious creature. Oh, look at this stuff. What is this?
Are these like? Are these actual alive?
It's in the sea. This looks so dead.
With that fish?
Yeah.
You think so?
It's not even blinking.
Oh,
Is it moving?
I think the eyes just moved.
Okay, there we go. Dang.
He hears us. What is this thing?
Where? Oh wow. Yeah. More than likely, yeah. More than likely.
What the hell?
Where?
Do you see this? This is a
Oh
starfish.
dang. What? And then go on a diet. Jeez.
This shit is so fat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Fish like
Eyes
this.
is crazy. Oh, there goes some sharks. Oh no, they're not even sharks.
Wow, that's just big fish. Those are humongous.
We are in a dome.
Look at this one right
Dang. It's not a shark? What is that?
here. Now look at this one. This is probably dead.
Yeah, what? No, that one's alive.
It's alive?
Yeah.
I guess he's sleeping.
Okay, I see a shark video, so are we gonna see some sharks? So what you think about the aquarium so far?
No sharks, no sea turtles.
Yeah.
Fish.
Yeah.
They're cool though. The starfish was the most exciting part. There's no way they're happy.
Oh.
They're just tired of being We're supporting this.
Maybe they feel like celebrities. Hey, we got people that celebrities that do their thing. Okay, we came from here. Let's see, somewhere over here. This is it. Okay. Yeah, it's time to eat. Right. First thing that looked decent on there. Yep, that's a wrap, folks. Oh, wow. Look at this big old thing. Please do not touch the artwork. Turtles. It's cool.
خلاص